We are introducing you to All About PLA by Kashal Vanavasam, Eric Nguyen, and Quentin Rude. So what is the purpose of our polylactic acid website? Well, it starts off with global warming. Global warming is an immense problem of the heating of the earth. Our next reason for our purpose is because of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels pollute our environment and give off CO2 or carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. This causes global warming. So we think that popularizing PLA may eliminate the use of some fossil fuels. And this can stop the use of traditional plastics, and it can lessen the impact on the environment. How? Manufacturers of normal plastics will realize that PLA is a future plastic. We can't just use this normal plastic like polyethylene, polystyrene, and all this plastic here that pollutes the oceans, our lands, everywhere. Our goal in this project is to make PLA popular, as we've said before. We think this will create a positive impact on our environment. The reasons for our idea is because of global warming and pollution. With pollution, there are hundreds of thousands of marine animals that die every year just because of the plastic pollution in the oceans. This should not be happening. That's why PLA can automatically biodegrade and prevent this from happening through the process of hydrolyzing. There are also millions of seabirds that die too every year. So moving on to learning and research with our PLA project. First, we had to learn about our plastics before we even started our project. We first wanted to start with biodegradable plastics. So then we had to learn what they are, and eventually we stumbled upon PLA and bioplastics during our research. So then we transferred all our research and our project goals and stuff to PLA. So learning about PLA during our project, this is what we had to learn. What PLA is, its biodegradability, its characteristics, its upsides, its downsides, its competitors, and its chemistry. What is it made of? These are some of our references we've used throughout our project. So references reason. Our reference types varied from many websites, and we also use YouTube videos in our project. The reason why we use this is because we found that these sources had accurate and relevant information with different perspectives. Moving on to our challenges and how we changed them. So one of our challenges had to do with teamwork. We had meeting absences, we had disputes, and we had focus issues. So the way we changed with absences, we used Google Hangouts, we talked at school, and we used ClickUp, a task manager, which we'll get on later. This is for getting plans ready for this tech fair. So we changed with disputes too. we expressed our opinions, and we voted on things. This decides decisions for our project. Our change with our focus is we got rid of distractions and we coordinated using ClickUp. This is to get things done quickly and efficiently. So our next challenge had to do with experiments. We had multiple failures with our experiments. We also lacked our materials. So what we changed with our failures is we had more care in our experiments and we paid attention to the details and the instructions. This is to eliminate the chances of failure. With materials, we changed and remembered to bring our materials so we could conduct experiments. We also communicated with each other so we could see what materials we needed and how to get them from the stores. And we can't create our experiments without these. Now, we're moving on to organization, project management. Our first project organizer had to do with Massive X presentation template. This created the beautiful and professional template as you see here. It's very customizable, it saves time, and we think it's perfect for this project. We also used Wix.com, a very popular website builder. We found it easy to use and create, and we can show our project and form an impact. This is also the correct style. It shows information on PLA. There are many websites that show information. Our last and probably the most effective thing and the thing that we had to use most for this project, for the big focus problem, was ClickUp. It's a task organizer, and you can see tasks and prioritize a lot of things. We can see what we need to do. We assign them the stuff, the due dates, yes, everything. Now we're moving on to popularization, which is our project goal. So we have our website. We also have a YouTube channel for videos, and we have a social media platform too, with Twitter. We use that to show and shout out to people what we've been doing and our upcoming YouTube videos. So if we had extended time, we would be doing more research on this plastic and about other plastics similar to this. We'd have a further refinement of our website. We'd conduct more and other experiments. We'd add a lot more details and more information to our website. We could possibly add a poster as a presentation method, and we would find further methods of popularizing our website. So now we have our comments from our parents. From my dad, number 1, he told us to work more efficiently on the project. Kushal's mom said and suggested to make a poster for the presentation. Kushal's brother said to add more details to the website. Quentin's mom told us to improve grammar on the website. The improvements we made to our comments were, so for my dad, we tried to be efficient, use ClickUp, and tried to get things done quickly. With Kishal's mom, we tried and considered making a poster for another presentation method. For Kishal's brother, we do plan to add more details on PLA in the future, and we are doing more research on this currently. For Quentin's mom, we have reanalyzed our text in our website and have corrected most of our grammar mistakes. So, we made a website which is all about PLA. It tells you everything about PLA website, and it tells you why it's one of the best plastic solutions. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. Also comment down how we did on this video. Bye!